Welcome to jjlearnersspot. Today the topic is the real number system. First we are going to see the real life examples of numbers. Next, the important concept, that is the classification of numbers and real numbers on number line. Next one, we are going to see the diagrammatic representation of real numbers. It is very easy to understand the concept. Last one, the real numbers chart. Subscribe and watch the full video. Numbers plays a crucial role in our real life and across various fields. From simple counting to complex scientific calculations, all are involving numbers. In our daily lives, we use numbers for time, money, measurement, distance, speed, etc. goes on. Let's see some examples. Numbers are used for counting. See how many strawberries are there? 3. Yes, 3 is an integer. If you went to shop and bought the half kg rice, here half kg 1 by 2 is a fraction. 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. What's the average temperature of Antarctica? It's minus 57 degrees Celsius. It's a negative integer. If there is no money in your account, then your account balance should be 0. If you eat one piece of this chocolate, then it will become the 1 by 3 part of this chocolate. 1 by 3 equal to 0.333. It's a non-terminating decimal. See, what value is this? 1.414 goes on. Yes, it's the value of root 2. It is a non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. That is, it does not repeat the same pattern. Real numbers. What are real numbers? Real number is any number that can be found on the number line. Any number that can be represented on the number line is considered as a real number. Natural numbers. Natural numbers are just counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, extra goes on. So representing 3 in the number line. Next one, whole numbers. When we add 0 to the natural numbers, it will become whole numbers. So where is the 0 on the number line? Yes, here it is. I ask one question. What kind of number the 0 is? Is it positive or negative? Comment your answer. Whole numbers are denoted by the symbol capital W. Next, integers. When we add the negative numbers to the whole numbers, it will become integers. For example, we can represent minus 2 on the number line. Minus 2. Integers are denoted by the symbol capital Z. Rational numbers. Rational numbers are simply fractions. Rational numbers can be expressed as the fraction of two integers, that is in the form p by q, where q not equal to 0 and p and q are integers. If q equal to 0, p by 0, what? It's undefined. Any number by 0 is undefined. So it's important. It's in the form p by q, where q not equal to 0. P and q are integers. Rational numbers containing terminating decimals and non-terminating and recurring decimals. It can include integers because integers are represented by minus 2 by 1, where 2 and 1 are integers. It includes positive and negative fractions. Minus 1.5 is represented as minus 3 by 2, where 3 and 2 are integers. Representing minus 1.5 on the number line, it's between minus 1 and minus 2. So there exist numbers between two integers. That is the rational numbers. And it includes non-terminating recurring decimals. See, example 0.33333. It goes on. It's a non-terminating decimal. It's a recurring decimal. 333. It has a repeating number. 0.333 can be represented 1 by 3, where 1 and 3 are integers. So, mark 0.33 in number line where it exists between 0 and 1. Here it is 0.3. The bar represents it's a repeating decimal expansion. So the rational numbers include integers, positive and negative fractions, and terminating decimals, non-terminating recurring decimals. Rational numbers are denoted by the symbol capital Q. Next, irrational numbers. Any number which is not rational is called irrational numbers. It includes non-terminating and non-recurring decimals. For example, the value of pi 3.1415, it goes on. It's a non-terminating decimal and it's a non-recurring decimal. So 1415, it does not contain the repeating pattern of numbers like this. It cannot be written as the fraction of two integers. Representing 3.14 on the number line. So, irrational numbers include non-terminating and non-recurring decimals. Any number which is not rational is called irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are denoted by the symbol Q dash. Real numbers are denoted by the symbol capital R. We are providing math one-on-one tutoring sessions at affordable rates. If you need support, then contact us for your free trial session. Natural numbers is a subset of whole numbers. Whole numbers is a subset of integers. Integers is a subset of rational numbers. Rational numbers and irrational numbers are the subset of real numbers. Real numbers are divided into rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers are furtherly divided into non-integer fractions and integers. Integers contains whole numbers and negative numbers. Whole numbers contain zero and natural numbers. Thanks for watching. Did you guys get clarity? If you did, then answer this question. Guess which categories these numbers fall into. Note that each number can fall into one or more categories. Comment your answer. Thanks for watching.